Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. The XRP chart, a thing of beauty, guys. Over the last few days, we have seen some magnificent movement on the XRP chart. We saw a big bullish rally up starting at about the beginning of November. Okay, followed by a high of nearly 80 cents on most exchanges. Oops, let me move that back. Let me move that out of the way, just like this. And now we're seeing some consolidation here. Okay, we saw a big drop all the way back down to 45 cents. Right now, XRP is hovering somewhere just above 61 cents. And guys, what is this forming here? A bullish pennant. So this is a great indicator that XRP price is going to continue to rise up higher. Now, this is on the daily, and that's how we have to look at it. We have to look at it on the daily because when you get into the smaller time frames, you tend to get a bit lost in the minutia. I do like to go on the hourly to kind of get an idea of the medium time frame, I suppose. We're going to talk about XRP price a little bit. This idea that have we basically lifted off enough that we will not see those lower 20-cent prices ever again? And at what price point, if it doesn't go back to, the 20s or the 30s, because that is very, very unlikely at this moment in time, at what price point do I maximize my XRP position? Because I know some of you guys want to buy more XRP to add to your stacks. And so some of you guys would argue that, and I know I've heard this on crypto Twitter before, anything under $1 is a pretty good price. Now, $1 is a psychological number. It's a round number. It's a whole unit of value. Anything under $1 is less than $1. And then everything over $1, of course, is multiple dollars. So a lot of people suggesting $1 because they're looking towards the future and real world utility. I wanted to get to some of that first, guys. Just wanted to mention real quick, Flare, I just tweeted this out. Bitexen is now going to be supporting the Spark token airdrop. Just another exchange that came on board along with Huobi. So 2 more exchanges, guys. And if you want the updated list, this guy here at STEDAS on Twitter, he updates the list every single day. Now there are 40 exchanges and 10 wallets where you can claim Spark tokens with your XRP. If you guys have a ledger Nano, S, or X, I did a video on how to do that. You can check out that video. I'll put it up here in the top right-hand corner. Conversely, if you still don't have a ledger, I do have an affiliate link in the description. You can use it if you want. You don't have to use it though. Many different ways to get Spark tokens. So just wanted to bring that to your attention. With regards to XRP though, this is what's coming from the IMF. Now, this could be seen as maybe a negative news headline, but I personally see this as positive. I personally see this as, speaking to the true value of XRP and why I think it'll be worth more than $1 in the future. So Ian Northing originally posted this, and let me read it to you. The International Monetary Fund recently published a working paper entitled Legal Aspects of Central Bank Digital Currencies, Central Bank and Monetary Law Considerations, in which it analyzes the legal basis of a central bank digital currency, or a CBDC. Interestingly, the IMF also examined the legal status of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. In general, the IMF first notes that in the absence of a legal basis, issuing a CBDC entails legal, financial, and reputational risks for central banks. Thus, most central bank laws currently do not allow the issuance of a CBDC to the general public. So guys, this has to do with the traditional definition of currencies and why there is so much controversy in the space and why they have to construct specific laws. Many of these countries have to construct specific laws for cryptocurrency adoption. I don't want to get into the nitty gritty. What I wanted to bring up was this. So according to the IMF, a currency can be defined as an official currency of a state monetary union, which is recognized as such by monetary law. And since most currency law reserves currency status for bills and coins issued by a central bank, these are exclusive to the US dollar, the euro, and other fiat currencies. Therefore, a clear distinction must be made between cryptocurrencies and official currencies. So it goes on to say examples of official monetary units are the dollar in the USA, the euro in the euro area, and the yen in Japan. These monetary units are clearly established by relevant legislation and must be distinguished from non-official quasi-monetary units such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, which are not established by law. So they are considering cryptocurrencies quasi-monetary units. They've included Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP in this definition. Now, I don't know what the IMF thinks about Bitcoin and Ethereum. I know in the United States there is regulatory clarity surrounding Bitcoin and Ethereum and not XRP. What I do know is that the IMF has been eyeing Ripple, has realized the potential for XRP to unlock value, namely in Nostro and Vostro accounts, sending money across borders at a fraction of the cost of what it is today. And so yes, although you can buy XRP on the open market for, let's say 61 cents today, they do still consider consider it a quasi-monetary unit of value. Not a bad thing, because I think they see more potential in XRP being used as a problem-solving token, which it was essentially created to do in the first place. This is all good news, guys, because this is what's going to give XRP its value. This from El Crypto King on Twitter, RippleNet member BBVA, to help Turkey implement instant payments this year. So this with regards to BBVA, of course, they are a RippleNet partner, and they've announced that in less than 3 weeks, it will help Turkey launch a system of fast instant payments that will not require IBAN, which is the current system that they are using. According to the company's website on December 18th this year, Turkey will begin utilizing a system of instant payments. The press release says that this system of fast instant payments will not require an IBAN from users directly. They will be able to link their IBAN to their smartphone number, email address, or even a personal ID card. The choice will be up to them. So if they're talking instant payments, chances are they are going to be utilizing XRP to facilitate this. If not XRP, they are definitely using RippleNet in some way, shape, or form at this moment in time. Eventually, when the world becomes more regulated with regards to cryptocurrencies, we will see XRP implementation in a lot of these products. But right now they're set up so that you can use them with XRP. You don't have to use XRP, but the XRP is what makes it even more efficient. So I wanted to thank El Crypto King for that. He also brought this to my attention. RippleNet member Temenos, picked by LTI to offer digital banking platforms in Nordics. So Temenos, an IT solution for banks and service providers that is also Ripple enabled, is coming out with some more news. So PR Newswire has published a press release about a new partnership inked by major RippleNet member Temenos. The company has joined forces with Larsen and Toubro, an infotech giant headquartered in Mumbai, India, working in the spheres of technology consultation and digital solutions on a global scale to launch a Temenos-powered digital banking platform in the countries of Northern Europe. So guys, here's a tweet to that effect. Of course, we know that these guys are Ripple enabled, so adding more value to XRP once XRP is utilized. Again, another reason why we could possibly see an XRP go over $1, no problem. Of course, now I got to reiterate, we are in a speculative market, so these moves are just based on retail and perhaps institutional supply and demand, people buying up XRP, wanting to sell it at a higher price. So the same reason why Bitcoin is rolling up right now, all the cryptocurrencies are rolling up right now. We're just seeing movements based on a spec market. Nothing to do with real world utility, but I just wanted to point out that real world utility has never been closer. We've also got this, guys, from DJ Peter Vast. Binance launches XRP, Litecoin, EOS, BCH quarterly coin margined futures. So Binance, obviously a big crypto exchange in this game as well, and they want to offer a lot of products for their customers so that they have a variety. I feel like Binance's strategy is always variety, 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 and you can see some of the products being launched are the XRP USD, quarterly coin margin contract. So if you're into trading XRP and other cryptocurrencies, there's another option to do it this way on Binance. Don't want to dwell on this too much because this is not really the point of this video. And by the way, guys, I link everything in the description. So if I'm going over something too fast, or if you wanted to catch more information about a certain aspect of something that I'm talking about, all the links are in the description. You can take a read if you guys want. What I really wanted to talk about is this idea that XRP has taken off. And so if you don't have your bags packed full enough, what's a good price to get in at? So top crypto analyst says Bitcoin and XRP are facing significant corrections. Here's when alt season could kick off. This guy here, this is Michael Van de Pope, says Bitcoin is likely to go through a significant correction. Sure. Talks a little bit about Bitcoin here. And then he says he's also closely watching XRP to see where it goes. He says XRP needs to hold on to the 63.5 level in order to prevent a big move to the downside. He says we see that we've had a very massive move upward from 20 cents, even towards 80 cents on several exchanges. We did make a nice break through which we can define two support levels on the daily time frame, which is around 30 cents and 45 cents. We can also see we are trying to break the resistance area here. However, if we want to sustain support, we have to hold above 63.5. If that sustains, we might be continuing towards a new high, which means $1. Losing 63.5, and the market should be watching 45 to 47 as a new support zone. So I kind of see what he's saying here. If we look at the 63.5 level, that is around here, guys. So that is 63.5. Let me just mark that there so you guys can see what he's talking about here. Now, we have come in and out of that zone, okay? We came down out of that. Then we came up a little over that zone. Now we're back down and around that zone. Right now, XRP trading at 61.5. But ultimately, he gives us some other options as well. That 45, what did he say? It was 43 to 45 cents, I believe. No, 45 to 47 cents, right. So 45 cents down here. This is the bottom of this zone. And we've got the top end of the zone at 79 roughly. So 45 to 47 would bring us somewhere in and around. Here's 45 exactly. And if I bring up 47, that's somewhere in and around here, okay? 48, 47. What he's denoting here is essentially this level over here. So we've got 45 down and around here. We've got 47-ish, give or take, 47.5 down and around here. Ultimately, though, I think to keep this as simple as possible, and you got to remember, there is going to be volatility in this market from here on out, guys. We went as high as almost 80 cents in, just a month, okay, after XRP was consolidating for almost 3 years. Then from this day here, this was November 24th, all the way to November 26th. This was 2 days. XRP went from this high of about 79 cents all the way back down to 45 cents. So this was 2 days, okay? Lost half its value, almost half its value. And so now we're going to see consolidation within this level, okay? And I have a feeling that the 45 cent to 80 cent level, and I know that's a very, very big zone here, but I have a feeling that that is going to be the new level of support. But where do you get in, right? Because that is quite a large range. And how long is this going to take? Well, that is a very good question. If it were me personally, and again, guys, this is not financial advice, I would probably stick in a buy order somewhere down and around here. I mean, we have seen bulls try to push the price up, and it's going to vacillate. I have a feeling this is going to vacillate for a while before we really start to see another move. So we could see something like this, right? We don't really know what's going to happen at this point because this is the zone now that we're playing in. So here's what I would say, and again, this is not financial advice. If you really don't care and you don't really need more XRP, but if there was an opportunity, you would get some more XRP, maybe you'd put in a buy order somewhere down and around this area here and around the 46 cent level. Somewhere down and around here, 46 cents, give or take, right at the bottom of that zone. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's the green line. That is if you are, if it goes down to that level, I will buy more. It's not do or die though. I could live without more XRP. Realistically though, I do think that if you are seriously looking to buy more and you really want to, I have a feeling that this is the area that you want to kind of eye, the 53.5 mark, 53.5 cents. And at this point, I mean, I never thought I'd be saying this, being in that bear market for 3 years. 53 cents is looking quite attractive for a buy order at this moment in time. Me personally, I am not buying any more XRP at this moment in time. My bags are packed and ready to go. If you've been following the channel, you know I've been accumulating since 2018. And again, it could come right back down to 45 cents, 46, 47. Again, this is the very I don't care kind of level. If it goes down there, sure, great, I'll buy some more. But it's not guaranteed that we're going to even see 45 again, guys. 53.5, I think we are likely to come retrace back in that zone. It is very, as you guys can see, there was a lot of movement here back a few days ago. We also did see the consolidation period up here before that rise to 80 cents. So just my 2 cents. Of course, guys, this is not financial advice. Always think about how you're investing your money because it's your money, it's not my money. So make sure you do your research before you put in buy orders. Finally, I just wanted to bring this up. This from Dave Liu here on Twitter. I got a really nice message from someone that was very close to giving up at 25 cents. They said one of my tweets convinced them to stay in their XRP position and they're still holding strong. That made my day. I couldn't agree more, Dave. This market is looking amazing. XRP price is stabilizing right now anywhere between 45 cents and 80 cents. So in my opinion, this is the new level of support, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.